Hey, Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. All right, join me bugged out today too. Unfortunately, thanks for those that were in the room. You did see the trade itself. I recorded it on Camtasia. I'm going to put it up on YouTube so that you can watch it, hopefully without all the bugs that came involved in it. But we exited the trade at the golden ratio number, the Gann Golden Ratio Number. At least I did. Once we got to it, it did run a 3P target. The 3P target on the trade would have been 61.68, worth about anywhere between 52 to 53 ticks. We were in it at we got in at 9:34, and we were in at 62.21. Exited trade at 61.78 as we reached down to the golden ratio number at 61.74, the Gann Golden Ratio Number. Doesn't mean that we're going to stay above the golden ratio number. I just wanted that profit. So anytime I can get anywhere near that golden ratio number, I'm going to take that profit. So both sides of the market, by the way, long or short, depending upon how we approach that number. The market at time of this video taping right now in the crude oil market made a low of 61.67 and rebounded off of that. And now, whether it goes up or down right now, the thing is to take the profit when it's there, especially when you are running up against what you believe is a significant number. The CLPIT strategy is designed to grab a 3P target on the down. Today, it would have been 61.68 and the low was 61.67, so we got it within a tick. It would have filled you if you would have held out for all 3P of the target, so that's kind of cool. And in that way, in the way of 61.68 was 61.74. So join me. Demio works better than join me, believe it or not. Join me. It just obliterated all my charts. It just showed white screen, and it was very frustrating. As soon as I log out of join me, all my charts come back up again. But it just, I guess, you know, ever since I've put this new wireless router in for my kids, I've had issues with Demio, and now I tried Join Me. That was the second time I tried Join Me, and it's too many resources, I guess, when the fast-moving market's going on. So if you know anything about trading, you know that the inventory can make a very fast-moving market. That's what that's what you're looking for. You're looking for volatility and momentum to drive quick trades. As far as time in trade, we were in at 9:34 and out at 9:40. So 6 minutes for 43 ticks. That's $430. Definitely helps me in my FTP step 2, getting closer and near to the $2,000 mark in the 30K to move up to. I think the next step for me is the pro account. Now, let me make an announcement, and if you've listened to me this long, since I'm having problems with the service, what I did is lowered my, with webinars, I'm having some issues. Demio is working better than the others, so at least Demio, when it bugs out, it doesn't bug out my screen, it just freezes the screen. All I have to do is reload it on. So it actually works better than what I saw with Join Me. If you want to see my trading though, I'm going to put my link to the blog post that I wrote about a month ago or so. I guess it was in April or March, so I forget when I wrote it. And it's announcing the CLPIT day trading strategy. It's a $57 investment one time, and it's going to stay $57 until I'm physically funded. When I am funded at Top Step Trader, it will rise up to $197. So obviously, if you don't want to get involved, everyone knows that, hey, yeah, I want your money. No, $57. You know, I've already made my. I think there's some good information. I've been putting some video content, lots of videos in there that you can go through. Now we're working on what we call the white lines. Kind of that Sam Seaton thing that I've already been having on my charts, and it's kind of spooky how the lines kind of come in play. With the exception of a day like today, where the market's seeking a new level. When the market's seeking a new level, like off the inventory report, you can throw all your white lines and all your stuff off to the side. What you need to look for is a forecasted number at that point. So the forecasted number I look for, it was the golden ratio number, which it's off the Gann square of 9 theory that he wrote up on. And I know you can get esoteric, and he can go way down the deep end on I don't believe in any of the lunar and the moon stuff and all the other stuff that he got involved in, astronomy and all the other stuff. But at his core base, there's a couple concepts I really like from Gann. The fourth time through that he talks about in his writings, and I really like his square of 9 because it ties in with Nikola Tesla. It ties in with the golden ratio number, the 137.5 number, or the 1.618 if you're going to get scientific here. So that's about it. So I'll put the link directly below, linking up to the blog post I wrote. $57 investment, and you'll be able to see. I'm going to put today's trading video up on YouTube though. So I'd love to have you as part of the course itself, and if it makes sense for you. So I think the investment's low, you know, and think about all the money that you spend in trading right now. You're helping a fellow trader out as well. So talk to you a little bit later. This is Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Once again, I was able to take away 43 ticks today. We went after the golden ratio number. It was located at 6174 today. I physically got out at 6178 when I was flattening out today, just getting out of the market as we closed in on the golden ratio number at 6174. All right, talk to you later. Bye for now.